Let's take a quick tour of the home page. On the left side, you have the nav bar, with the first item being home. Next, you have contacts, campaigns, and automations. You also have transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls, and these are all very powerful features. On the top bar, you have, from left to right, usage and plan, where you can monitor usage metrics and plan limits. Next, you have the help button. Here you can access the help center with product documentation and how-to guides. You can create a support ticket here, and there's a search bar for quick navigation to find helpful information. Next, you have the notifications icon. Here you can view recent updates or system alerts. Last, you have the profile dropdown. Here you can manage account info, subscription, integrations, language settings, and much more. The center of the page features a calendar and recommended setup steps for first-time users. Eventually, this section displays helpful suggestions depending on what's going on with your account.